Hi, welcome to Creative Learning. Today in this video we shall discuss about Earth Day. Before we begin, subscribe our channel for future updates and click the bell icon and share with your friends. On April 22, we celebrate Earth Day. It is the 52nd Earth Day anniversary. We celebrate Earth Day to remind to protect the environment, restore damaged ecosystems, and live a more sustainable life. On April 22, we celebrate Earth Day. In a common meaning, can you tell me why do we celebrate World's Earth Day? Look at this picture and tell me, do we need to celebrate World's Earth Day? And this is the simple picture which shows irrigation facility of the plants. Look at this. In every country, Prime Minister, President is protected through soldiers, through bodyguards. We need police, we need armaments to protect our life. We need doctors to save our life. Why do we not save Earth? Do Earth needs a bodyguard? Do Earth needs a Z security? In industries, many kinds of fossil fuels are burnt, such as coal, petroleum, diesel. In many vehicles also, we burn so many kinds of fossil fuels. So it increases the percentage of carbon in the atmosphere, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. By burning of fossil fuels, by burning of trees, by burning of coal in industries, in order to generate electricity, in order to do some work, we use lots of CFCs in refrigerator and in car ACs. Due to this, chlorofluorocarbon molecules enters in our atmosphere, and due to using of large number of vehicles, burning of trees, and using of fossil fuels in industries and in vehicle usages, it increases a lots of toxic gases in our atmosphere. So it creates a sense of respiratory damage in every human beings, not only in human beings but also in animals. It also creates damages in aquatic animals such as fish and marine leaves. We use fertilizers which are more toxic such as malathion and some others, so that it does not dissolve or does not absorb by the plants. So unabsorbed fertilizers were dissolved in water, so pollution will create. So it also damage our earth. So in order to protect our earth from industries, from vehicles, toxic gases released by them, we celebrate World's Earth Day. And this is the picture. In future days, we cannot see the true picture of the earth. So we need to protect the earth from deadly destruction of the earth. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for future updates. Thank you.